What's up, everybody? This week's Jeep of the Week from Rodgers Wranglers is this gorgeous red 2011 JK Sport. Stay with us. Let's take a look and see what's all special about this one. So here it is, the 2011 JK two-door. This is a great looking Wrangler for someone that's looking to have a great time here in the low country of Charleston, South Carolina, or anywhere in the Carolinas in general. It's a great Jeep. Two-door, looks sporty for sure with the soft top. This one does have the 6-speed manual transmission, 3.8 V6 under the hood. And what's unique about this Wrangler is the extreme low mileage of just around 59,000 miles. Paint's clean. We're going to walk around it, show you a few things about it, let you see the current condition of it. It's running right now, and it's actually pretty quiet. A few things the dealership's done at Rodgers Wranglers. We've added on this here in the front for a little more protection so rocks and bugs and things don't fly through there and hit your radiator. It does have a leveling kit on the vehicle, which brings the stance up just a little bit higher to fit those good-looking AMP all-terrain attack tires with XD Series black alloy wheels. Let's take a look at them and see what size we got going on here today. These are 35 by 12.5 wrapped onto a black 18-inch XD Series wheel. So tires are like brand new, rims look brand new, it's all new, it's looking great. And again, the leveling kit just sets things off and gives it a really nice stance. It's not too high up, so it's still a little bit easy to get in and out, but it does make you feel great driving down the road in this beautiful two-door JK. Man, look at those good-looking flags just blowing around in this nice spring wind. Also has the running boards down on the bottom. Your soft top is in decent shape. It's not a brand new soft top, but no rips, no tears, and still functions and does everything you need it to do. Also has a tow package on the back. The flag hitch does not come with the vehicle if you purchase it. Fifth wheel on the back. And again, the exterior body, as you can see, is in great condition. No major dents, no major dings, no major scratches. Just a beautiful Wrangler from Rodgers Wranglers. Let's take a look at the interior. The one thing I like about the 2011 is it has the upgraded interior that came out in 2011. So a little more finesse by Jeep. This one does have roll-up windows and manual door locks. Again, 6-speed manual transmission, cruise control, very clean, runs great. Cold AC is a must, and it's got it. And again, low mileage at just around 59,000. Has a factory CD player, auxiliary port, 4-wheel drive control here. And it does come with the back seat. So there you have it. That's Rodgers Wranglers Jeep of the Week. If you're interested in buying this trail-rated JK Series Wrangler from us, the price is listed at $19,900 or best offer. We also offer on-lot financing at the dealership with no credit check, but you would have to put down a pretty substantial amount of money to get into a no credit check loan with us on this vehicle, but it is possible to do that. We also do accept trade-ins to help out, to go towards down payments as well. Or come by the store, we'll print up a purchase agreement for you with the VIN number, price, mileage, and all that, and you can take that straight to your bank or do it online, get a certified check from your bank, and bring it by the store. We'll do the paperwork, and you're driving off in your Wrangler. So it's just that simple. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching here on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. I'm Chad with the sales department. Reach out to me at 843-552-1330. And again, this is just one of many Wranglers at Rodgers Wranglers. Visit us online to see our full inventory, www.rodgerswranglers.com. We'll see you on the next one. If you're still watching the video, here's a bonus clip for you. We're driving the vehicle back to the dealership. Just wanted to let you know that the clutch feels good, brakes feel great. Rodgers Wranglers, if you finance through the dealership, offers a 6 months or 6,000 mile
warranty with your vehicle. You can also purchase that warranty if you go through your own bank for an extra additional cost. But Rodgers Wranglers really does go through the Wranglers, checks them out, does everything we can to make sure that they're in tip-top shape before you take it home with you. We do understand that these are used vehicles. With that being said, not every car is always going to be exactly perfect. You know, people buy vehicles not just at our dealership, but at dealerships all over the country, and you could leave and the next day or a week or two later, something could pop up, a check engine light, whatever it may be. We do the best that we can to make sure, though, that the Jeeps are in good enough shape for you to buy and drive and not have any major issues. If you do have any issues with your Wrangler after purchasing it from us, please give us a call. Don't hesitate. Even if you bought the warranty or not, let us know what's going on. We'll always talk about it and see what we can do to help. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching, and come see me right here at Rodgers Wranglers.